And we're back at part 2. Hey, you guys, we are out here in the wilderness.
You gotta keep doing it. I've been doing it every day. It don't work.
We're actually trying something different. You know, we're improvising and we're
She got some water her face.
ew. Havana got river water on her, but we're just out here. Oh, what happened? Oh, ow. Yeah, we're just gonna throw a couple of rocks and then we're gonna do our little nature walk, and then that's gonna be it for today. You know, it's a little chilly out here today, but we're trying to oh. And we got people that done had, see, they fishing out here and everything. It's pretty cool. We got people over there fishing. Like whoop whoop whoop. Okay, can't zoom right now, but oh well, it's alright. Yeah, so they just might, yeah. It's fish.
I don't think there's any sharks in this water.
He says shark. Cannot.
Oh, Mom.
What? I tried it up there, but it's just like
this.
And how is it gonna sit? Oh. Oh, okay.
Wait, thumbnail. You do it like that?
You cannot do that. And he's gonna be in the water first. Who do that? You gotta watch them because they just stay acting like that. I'm very sorry. Did you find some yet? No music. I'm getting away from you. Why is my lights on in my car? Get it. Whoa! You got your skates on the bottom? Okay, you're back in the
That doesn't look like the other one. Nah, I'm gonna record y'all.
Is that a crystal glass?
Ooh.
You might want to rest it up to see. That looks like glass.
watch out, people. If I get hit in the head with something.
Huh?
What you doing about that?
I was recording y'all. Come on, I need it, guys. I need to use the bathroom so bad. I'm gonna do a rock. Woo! Whoa, guys. That was a cool time. People walking their dog and stuff like that. I'm gonna put it in here. You can't see nothing. And there we go. Look how blurry.
It looks like glass. Is it sharp?
Oh, that's a cool. Wow, look at the furniture in my hand. I know my nails are just messed up. I don't trust it. Alright, hold on.
Tadpole. I think that's how you pronounce it. Tadpole. Ooh, let me see. Tadpole. Baby, come say it to my face. She caught up one? Ooh. No, that's not glass. I don't know. This looks like glass.
Whoa, I see one. I see one.
That's glass. Yeah, this is glass. They got bubbles.
I don't pay you for that. No, I'm putting food for that. No, because you might not get it back. Just look. The water is so cold.
Whoa.
watching y'all too. What face is smart? I got you. Go too deep. I found a shell.
Yeah, I see a lot of shells. Oh my gosh, I'm excited. See?
Here. Look, here.
Down and put your hands down. No, don't touch it. Just look.
Look. Here.
Oh, snap.
Perfect shell. I'm out of here. I don't want you to talk. Better not leave it or I'm gonna pop you.
Add it to my
Can't build your nature like
my
that.
stones. Alright. This is what I found. Well, Zayana found it, but isn't that different? You know what I mean? And then
I don't think my people.
found some shells, and they small.
Look at this big rock. Go back away, y'all.
See?
That is not a tremendous rock.
So cool. You never know what you find out here in the wilderness. Whoa, that was pretty hard. That was real hard.
Stop! Look at
Stop picking up the big one.
Would you chill?
Come on, you go to the car. Let's go. Take him to the car.
You done stuck all over.
He picked up a big rock, and it was a whole bunch.
You got ants on you?
No, he don't. No, he don't. Relax. Stop. Take him. Can you take him to the car with Vicky? That's what happens when you don't listen. You find something you don't want to find.
He picked up a rock with these fat ass
They was big. That's their home, y'all. There's a lot of them though.
Yeah, they all came out of
It was like,
They
God
came out of
damn,
this joint.
that was their home.
He was ready to die. What is that? He started.
But you still screaming.
Anybody touch him?
Woo! That was epic. That was not scripted at all. Man. He was dying. He said, oh my God. No, that don't look like
Yo, he got my whole pants leg dirty.
that was a good one. I'm going to watch that like 3-4 times, boy. I'm like, yeah, remember that?
Told you stop talking shit. Y'all learn the hard way.
Yo, that water is really cold, though. My fingers is still cold.
Oh, they make it tick tock, tick tock. Out, boy. He in the
He
trunk.
ran up these days on. He was like,
He in the trunk.
in the trunk.
Yeah.
He's done for the day.
He took off his jacket.
Oh, he said, that's it. I will
He
never
picked
come
up
back to
his
this part.
feet. It was like,
He was flying on me.
shoot!
He was hanging on for dear life. Like, I don't see no more. I gotta move to another area so I can find some other rocks. It feels good out here.
Oh,
You got the wrong jacket on.
you got a sweater on me? That's why. He a sweater. The people are dirty.
Alright, well.
Your feet cold? It was something
Yeah, well,
They drilled something.
Lucas,
Something used to be over here.
huh?
He looks so sad.
He look at all his stuff. He is not playing with nobody. Like, he back there somewhere. He is seriously traumatized by the ants that he moved. I don't want to hold none of that stuff because I got my stuff in my hand. But yeah, so yeah, I want to walk down a little bit. I want to go down some. I was looking for like some creative rocks and stones and stuff like that, but that is, it look like a regular kind of rock. Please.
Yeah, that was close to my face and that would have splashed in my face.
She, you know. Whoa. Yeah, but trying to see if I could turn the camera around. I'm gonna put my stone in my pocket. Oh, I put it in there with my nuts. I have some cashew nuts in my pocket. Okay, there you go. But you know, we still venturing out.
Oh no, just move this out and drop it in. Ready? I can move the rock. I'm gonna pick it over. There's some like water. I'm not like dog.
You must miss your dog.
Ready? Go.
Wait, I think I just saw one.
Hey,
Yo, that water got my hand like really chilly.
You know, this will be something you got in the foot.
Huh?
What if I found a whole bunch of tadpole eggs?
Oh.
You know, people on TikTok, they found tadpole eggs.
Really?
Yeah,
And
they grown them.
growing them? That's pretty cool though.
I'm just trying to find at least one thing with tadpole. I was trying to find this for a long time.
Yes, you have been searching for some time. Maybe you need to go in another area.
Like, they will be like right here. They won't be like on that part. They're going to be like in these rocks.
Oh. Be careful, Zion.
But they probably do distance, so when we step right there.
Yeah, that's cool.
I found,
But what you guys found? I heard.
Oh, a clear.
I found it.
Yes, she did.
Oh! Mom, can I see it real quick, please?
No.
You
Mama.
can't touch it.
Why?
Because you cannot touch it.
What time?
So yeah, feels pretty good to be out here, you know what I'm saying, in nature like this. You know what I mean? Look at that. It feels pretty good, you know? Something different for the day. Laid back Sunday, you know what I'm saying? Forgetting about the world's troubles and what's going on. So we've been indoors for some time. Decided to, you know, can't really go to the park, so you see some people over there fishing. You know, it's really soothing. It smells so good. Believe it or not, it smells so good out here. Like, it's smells like nature, you know. Smell the water is just like, it smells clean, you know, kind of purified. So that's what's up. But I hope everybody is doing okay. Stay safe. Be mindful and cautious, you know what I'm saying, about being outdoors. At least if anything, mask up when you're going inside any location. And put gloves on. You know what I mean? Other than that, if you're outside and there's nobody around you, live. Breathe, enjoy the freedom that we now have. Because who knows what's going to be going down soon. So, I'm going to leave it at that. I feel like a bird, but I ain't seen nothing. But yeah, just find you somewhere where you can be comfortable at. You know, like an area like this, you know. I mean, you see some people masked up walking, but I feel like, you know, when you're close to nature, that's best. You're good. You're pretty safe. I mean, ain't nobody over here. You know what I'm saying? I'm just looking around to see if I see anything. But enjoy, get you some air, get outside, get some fresh air. I know you can't stay in the house for too long, so find, you know, drive around and find you somewhere where it's comfortable. Take a walk, take a run, walk your pet, you know what I'm saying? Walk the kids, you know, find a field or something like that, but just enjoy it, you know what I'm saying? Like, the world is not all that beat up right now, you know what I'm saying? You can still find some joy, so that's what I'm saying. Train. Find some joy. You know, get the kids the freak out the house because they will drive you nuts if you don't. You know, and other than that, enjoy yourself. So I'm gonna continue to try to help these kids find some tadpoles or something that they think they're gonna find. I don't know if it's the season for them yet. Yeah, because we had like a little picnic, but it was in the car, and then we decided to get out the car and then come out and take advantage of this stuff. Is he okay? Is he coming back? Is he coming back? Lucas, he coming back? Oh, he done. Okay. Lucas is having a problem, so I'm gonna go. Just happy that the kids are out here and they're happy. I think they have found. I'm sorry. I was trying to get the food off my lip. You know I am nature woman, girl. This is me, yo. I can live out in the nature. They don't know we're going camping. As soon as everything is up, we're going camping. She's hating, but she gonna want to go. Once you get out here and feel it, it's good. Water is cold as heck though, so don't fall or jump in the water. You know what I mean? Watch the kids. Watch the kids. But yeah, I'm about to go. Just wanted to say, hey y'all, miss you guys. We all good over here. We good. I'm about to hug a couple of trees and then.
That's where we should have went.
Where?
The Schuylkill River. Downtown, Kelly Drive. You know that whole park over here? It's really nice over
I never went down there. I only drove through there. I never really stopped.
You gotta go there.
You're always gonna have one that's gonna fumble. So we gonna cut it short because somebody always got to use the bathroom. You know, out of the bunch, it got to be that one. You know what I'm saying? So that one got to go to the bathroom. So we got to cut it short because of that one didn't want to go when she should have went. What? Think we found something, guys? What is it? A who? Ooh.
It's kind of wet.
Ooh, I like it. Ooh, look at that. Yeah.
Found by you me.
Oh, are you giving it to me?
Yeah.
Oh, thank you. Got another one. Okay, well, all eyes on us now. People are starting to come and wonder what we're doing. But, yeah. Love you guys. Take care of yourselves. Be safe. Love one another. And we're going to get through this. You know what I'm saying? Live. We're going to get through this. All right. Take care. Taya be great. Mom of 8. There's only like 7 of them right here. Only got 7 a day. 7 a day. The other 2 is in the truck, and the other one is on a little journey. But take care, you guys. Love yourself, love each other, and too blessed for the stress, yo.